guys! So based on the previous clip, I think nakita niyo naman na I was doing my junk journal. This is another night, pero I don't know, while editing, I felt like gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung iba kong spread. I actually showed some of these spreads na nung nag-live ako sa TikTok, but I also want to show some of my spreads still here in my video. So, this is my junk journal. So I've been doing junk journal for like since I was young, very young. Kasi yung iba kong spread dito as in from China days ko pa siya. Like China as in young girl visiting China when she was like 7 years old to 8 years old, ganun. So, nandito yan. And hindi talaga ito yung original notebook ko for my junk journal. Pero iniba ko siya kasi nga, nung nakita ko ulit yung notebook na yun, I was like, oh, yung spreads ko dyan hindi maganda. Not saying na maganda na yung spreads ko ngayon, pero, ayun, gusto ko lang din siya i-share sa inyo. Kasi nga, maganda yung iba kong spread. Also, wala akong mic. Nasira na pala yung mic ko. So, this is again the start of my vlogging era. I will try to be more consistent sana, hopefully. Okay, so this is my junk journal. So, yung itong notebook na to, nakuha ko lang siya sa amin, sa bahay namin. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna do junk journal. So, ever since I found that notebook again, I started junk journaling. Nag-iipon na ulit ako ng mga freebies, sa mga souvenirs ko, sa mga pinupuntahan ko. And it's been so much fun. It has been so much fun these past few months na naggagawa ulit ako ng junk journal. Okay, so a little bit of spread. I'll show you guys some of my spreads nung nasa China pa kami. And ito very, very old na yung mga bagay na inuwi ko from those trips namin. So first is ito. So, oh no. So the first is this one. Okay, so this is actually from a brochure no parang park nila there, yung amusement park nila na pinuntahan namin no very young ako. So nilagay ko siya here. Inayos ko na siya. Hindi ganito itsura niya nung nasa old junk journal ko siya. Actually, nung nasa old junk journal ko siya, hindi ko siya technically nalagay dun sa junk journal na yun. As in, yung buong brochure yun nandun lang. So, ayan, ginawan ko na siya. Hindi siya ganun kaganda, pero I think for improvement naman. And then, next is, so, ito yung mga very old na spread naman. Ito, kinip ko din yung dati kong mga nilagay na information dun sa junk journal na yun. So, grabe yung sulat ko. It's giving young. So, ito naman, pumunta kami sa museum nung, which is Guangdong Museum, and then dated December 28, 2013. Crazy. Okay, and then, ito naman, ganun din. So, just a little bit of freebies nung pumunta ulit kami sa other museum, I think. Ito yun. Yeah. Ayun, naka-date pa dito. December 30, 2013 naman. Kung saan nakita namin yung mommy. Ewan ko, may nakasulat ng mommy kasi here. So, ayan. And then, my ticket or yung parang passenger service charge. So, parang, I believe airplane yan eh. Okay. And then, next ito. Basically, itsura niya is ganito. Sa notebook ko. Ayan, something like this. So, ito naman, these are, as you can see, spoon and fork dun sa Hello Kitty Cafe na pinuntahan namin sa Guangzhou. Tapos, ito from Canton Tower siya. I don't know if you guys can see, pero galing yung Canton Tower. Canton Tower. So, pumunta kami there. And then, some tissues. And then, ito naman, first time ko makakain ng Häagen-Dazs, if I'm saying that correctly, sa China nung bata ako. So, ayun, kinip ko din yung kanyang tissue. So, very old na siya, guys. As in, nagba-brown na siya. And these tissues haven't been used, or these weren't used, rather. So, I think it's okay na nandito pa rin sila sa akin. Okay, and then, ito naman, guys, these are the spreads that I had, or that I made based sa mga chocolates na try ko nung younger ako. So, ito, first time ko mag-try ng Kit Kat matcha flavored. So, nilagay ko siya dyan. Tapos, ito, Toblerone. I think nilagay ko lang din siya dyan. And then, ito mga to, old chocolates that I had nung nasa China pa kami. And, yeah, I think ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is this one. Kasi feeling ko yun yung milk chocolate or itong Graden. Yan. So, these chocolates were all nice. So, ayan. Ito naman, first time ko kumain sa chicken. So, ito yung spread ko. First time to eat sa chicken. So, it doesn't look that very nice. Pero I don't know, I felt proud when I was doing this spread. And then nung natapos ko na siya, I was like, oh, it's so good. Na parang, na-maximize ko yung kinip kong galing chicken na bagay para ilagay sa junk journal ko. And then, ayan, some cafes that I've had. And then, ito naman, mostly, sa org to, or sa school siya, nag-rotate yung mga receipts. Itong receipt na to, receipt ko ng friends namin na nag-sakip kami. And then, my friend and I, nung meron kaming photo booth, semi-photo booth din sa isang org event namin. And then, this is from an org event as well, na nag-bingo kami. And then, this one, again, kung kumain kami ng friends ko sa food court, sa some specific place, and then some stickers lang. Yeah. So, this one, these are just random na mga food trips na ginawa ko. And I wanted to include them sa junk journal ko. Again, this one as well, random cafe. 2 cafe naman to. Yung Sanchen and Kong Cafe. Mostly yung mga nilalagay ko here is from cafes na nakuha ko. And then this one, the most recent is this spread, which is yung pumunta kami sa Art Museum, sa Ateneo. Yung Ateneo Art Gallery, nakita namin yung exhibit. Yung exhibit ni Mr. Jeller Concepcion, if I'm saying that correctly. Yung kanyang things he wanted to say but never did. I cried nung binabasa ko yung mga nakalagay doon sa mga paintings. Not necessarily paintings, sa mga artworks na yun. Like, some of them really touched my heart. So, naiyak ako. Like, super guys. So, ayan. Ito naman, these are just from the postcard that I got from Papa Rotli. Kasi invited sila din sa isang org na event ng isang org sa school namin, and they were staying at our building. So, ayan. And then, ayan, I just wanted to share you guys my junk journal. So, I don't know, it's been therapeutic for me. Like, makalat siya pag nag-iipon ka ng junk mo to for your junk journal. Pero, it's very fun for me. It's very fulfilling. So, ayan na siya. Ganyan na siya kapag dahil ang dami nakadikit. There are pages to fill in, so I hope I can do so. Continue doing this. I hope I can continue doing my junk journal even though I'm very busy na sa upcoming school year, you know, kasi iba naman yung regular semester, stuff like that. So, ayan, I just wanted to share you guys my junk journal. Yay!